Haryana Congress, breaking news coming in, Haryana Congress has expelled 13 leaders for contesting assembly polls as independent. That's the big update we have right now, viewers. Remember, just coming in right ahead of the assembly elections in the state, Haryana Congress has expelled 13 of its leaders as they decide to contest the assembly elections as independent candidates. A big breaking news coming in ahead of the assembly elections in Haryana. Congress expelling 13 netas. And my colleague Lalit is joining us live on the broadcast for more on this. He's joining us from Chandigarh. Tell us more details about these candidates, Lalit, and Haryana Congress's decision. How does this pan out?
If you talk about this decision which has been taken by the party high command, 13 independent Congress who have been contesting election as independent candidates, they have been expelled from the party for the anti-party activities. And the one who has been expelled are Naresh Dhanda from the Gulha, which is the reserve seat. Then it's the Pradeep Gill, who is contesting as independent candidate from Jeen, then Sajjan Singh Dhul from Pundri constituency, Sunita Button from Pundri, Rajiv Mamuram from Gondar, it is in Nilo Khedi, and Dayal Singh Sirohi, Vijay Singh from Panipat, Dilbag Singh from Uchana Kala, Ajit Fogart from Dadri, Abhijit Singh from Bhiwani, and Satvir Singh Rateda from Bhavani Kheda, Neetu Man from Pritpala, and Anita Dhal from Kalayat. These all have been expelled from the party for a period of 6 years for the anti-party activities. First, the leaders in the Haryana Congress and the central leadership asked them to withdraw the name. But when these people did not withdraw the name, as these candidates were not given the tickets, now looking into this, all these 13 Congress leaders who are contesting elections as independent candidates, they all have been expelled for the party for the period of 6 years for the anti-party activities. Back to the show.
With those details coming in from Chandigarh, that's the big update we have right now, viewers. Haryana Congress has expelled 13 of its leaders as they decided to contest the upcoming polls independently, as independent candidates. And now let's take a look at some other stories making news from across the country. This is Bharat in 5 minutes.